You're watching Justice for All with Judge Cristina Perez. Plaintiff Sylvia Henderson claims her younger sister used her ID to buy alcohol for her underage friends. She's suing to recoup the $6,000 she claims she received in fines for her sister's offense. Defendant Sophia Henderson says she doesn't owe her sister anything because their parents paid the fines.
So, Ms. Henderson, you are suing your sister for $6,000.
Yes.
Why are you suing your sister?
Well, Your Honor, my sister has a problem with taking my ID and using it. She got busted buying liquor at a liquor store for her and her underage friends.
Okay.
We have a family friend who's a lawyer. He helped get it, taken care of, and everything was resolved until I get pulled over for speeding, and the police officer says that there's a warrant out for my arrest because I have 2 traffic citations that I never paid. And once I talked to my sister, she had gotten traffic citations that she just chose to ignore.
I didn't think that it would be
Did
that
this
big of a
happen
deal.
before you were arrested? Obviously, it had to happen before you were arrested.
It was before I was arrested.
And you didn't think that was an important thing while you're in court to also admit to the court and to your family, especially your sister, hey, by the way, on top of being arrested because I'm using your ID, I also got 2 traffic tickets?
It didn't, the traffic citations didn't even occur to me as something that could come up again.
Did you give them to your sister so at least she could pay for them? I mean,
no. I just threw them away. I thought that it would just resolve itself.
Threw them away. How is a traffic ticket going to miraculously resolve itself if you don't actually take care of it? That obviously shows me the maturity level that you're at. So then what happened, Ms. Henderson?
I go to jail. Finally, my sister came clean.
Finally, immediately after you called, I told you what happened.
Did she offer to help you pay? Did she say, I'll help you out?
Well,
No.
our parents were helping you through this.
Coming up.
It was resolved after I went to an attorney, after I paid for legal fees. I mean, and it's not just about the money. It was so embarrassing to be arrested on a public street for something that I didn't even do.
Closed captioning provided by. You're watching Justice for All with Judge Cristina Perez. Justice for All is back with the case of Sylvia Henderson, who is suing her sister for $6,000.
Your parents were helping you through
My
this?
parents financially were helping me. It was, I was just starting a new job.
Did you pay your parents back?
No.
Okay, so then why are we suing for $6,000 then?
Because I still have a lot of other things to pay for regarding this matter. I still owe money for legal fees. They didn't pay for everything. It's still an ongoing situation.
I can't award you for something that you have to pay in the future. I can only award you for expenses related to this claim. Do you have an outstanding bill that I could, from your attorney?
I do.
Can you please give that to Renard? And what am I looking at here?
That is a billing receipt for one of my lawyers.
Have you asked your sister to help you pay for this?
No.
Okay, why not?
I know that she doesn't have any money, and my goal...
Then why are we here?
That's a very good question.
Because I need some sort of responsibility to be taken from you. I'm at
You got it expunged. I've apologized.
Sophia.
We spent the last year dealing with this.
Sophia, that doesn't really matter. I mean, the point is she wouldn't be here and she wouldn't have to have gone through all those expenses and really that heartache if you had not done something improper, which you did. So that's something you have to take responsibility for. Do you work?
I work retail.
Retail. And do you still live at home?
Yes.
Okay.
rent-free.
And your parents support you? Do you work
Yes,
full-time?
as they did for you when you were in college.
That's not of issue here. What your sister's asking for is reimbursement for expenses that she still has outstanding in order to clear her name because of something irresponsible that you did. So you work full-time? And how many expenses do you have? You don't pay for rent, you don't pay for food, I imagine. Do you pay for your car, your insurance, cell phone?
My car, my insurance, my cell phone bill,
And that's it?
yeah.
Judge Perez's verdict when Justice for All returns. Promotional consideration provided by. You're watching Justice for All with Judge Cristina Perez.
I only have evidence of the $3,700 that you still owe to your attorney. So I think what we need to do is that we need to have Sophia pay for the $3,700. I think that is feasible. But you're going to have to figure out a way how you're going to pay this. It's an issue of how she's going to do it. I'm not quite sure. So you're going to have to report back to me and figure out how she does that in order to make sure that we enforce the judgment against her, okay?
Okay.
And good luck, girls. I mean, next time be careful. You're not only messing with your life, you're messing with your sister's life, okay? Good luck.
All rise.
Judge Cristina Perez has ruled in favor of the plaintiff and ordered the defendant to pay her $3,700.
You're not only messing with my life, you're messing with yours. It's time for you to take responsibility for your actions and grow up.
I never meant to hurt you or get you in trouble.
This has been a production of Entertainment Studios.